Plane curves, the cycloid. Definition: the locus of a point on a circle as the circle rolls along a straight line without slipping. So we are given a circle of radius r units. It is moving to the right as shown here, and it's moving along a given straight line L prime without slipping. So currently point Q is in contact with the straight line and there is no slip occurring between the circle and the straight line at the point contact. In this view, the circle has already moved an angle theta. So previously the point P was in contact with the line LL prime. So as the circle moved to the right, P moved to a different location and currently point Q is in contact with the line LL prime. The parametric equations of the cycloid. We have marked the distances. The point P with coordinates x, y is the point on the locus, the cycloid. So the x coordinate is given by q prime r. Q prime is taken as the origin. The x coordinate of the point P, which lies on the cycloid, is q prime r, which is q prime q minus rq, which is this whole q prime q minus rq, this distance. But q prime q is r theta because there is no slipping as the circle moves along the straight line. Q prime q must be equal to arc pq because there is no slipping. So it follows that q prime q equals r theta. Likewise, rq can be easily computed as equal to p prime, which is r sine theta. So that x is given by r theta minus r sine theta. Likewise, the y coordinate, which is pr, this distance, which is y, may be seen to be p double prime r minus p double prime p, which is this distance, p double prime r minus p double prime p, this distance. So which are equal to r minus r cos theta. So that the parametric equations of the cycloid are as shown. X equals r times theta minus sine theta and y is r times 1 minus cos theta. Let's compute the area under the single arch of a cycloid. So we use the parametric equations which we just derived. Here in this description, t is a parameter proportional to theta. So for t varying between 0 to 2 pi, which corresponds to theta going from 0 to 2 pi, the area may be computed as integral y dx. Because y is parametric, x is parametric too, the integral is computed with t as the measure. dt is the measure. So that the area under one arch of the cycloid is 3 pi r squared. The arc length of a single arch of a cycloid may also be computed by using the parametric equations. T is a parameter proportional to theta, and S from the arc length formula may be computed as r times square root of 2 minus 2 cos t, which simplifies as 8r, r being the radius of the circle. So this is how a cycloid looks as the circle rolls on given the straight line. So the circle is rolling along the straight line and the point P which we showed is tracing this arch.